Hello and welcome to our series of pre-recorded videos to help presenters on how to use Myriad player software. In this video, we will be showing how to actually set up a 1-hour program on Myriad by simply using the pad system. The easiest way to do it is always check that you're from the top left screen here, layout. We're actually on Myriad single screen with pad. We select this and this is what it is. Normally, sometimes the screen is laid out like this, which is default with pad layout. We will come back and use the screen later on, but for the time being, for ease of use, it's better that presenters know how to use Myriad Lite single screen with pad when setting up their audio program. So let's say hypothetically we want to make a program for Thursday drive time at 4 o'clock. Well, we know 4 o'clock advert has to appear, so we will put the 4 o'clock advert. We also know that the 4 o'clock hour also has advert number 4 in half past. So we've got those two audio cards of adverts listed. We are showing 6 minutes at the moment. We want to go and choose songs for our library. So the best way to do this is actually clicking on pre-2000 if we want songs from pre-2000, or we can take songs that are post-2000. Now, we know that some of the songs in the system in pre-2000 are actually 2000 and above, so we will actually go and select the whole set of songs. For this exercise, I'm just going to pick random songs. So let's say I want to start off with Funk Soul Brother, and I want to start with Alicia Keys. Maybe we'll go with Ecuador Sash. We might go with, let's say we'll go with Fool with Chris Rea. Might go Dido as well. And as you see, the time is now 27 minutes past. We'll pick one more track. Let's just say in this case, we're going to go with The Way I Are with Justin Timberlake. Now, that is roughly 30 minutes. We know that the advert track is 3 minutes long. So maybe we could pick another 3-minute track here. So let's just say hypothetically, let's go for Hilary Duff, Stranger. That now completes as 34 minutes. So we know that's roughly going to be our first half hour. We can now concentrate on our second hour, and I'm just going to choose songs from the same section and to make it easier as part of this exercise. So what we'll do is we'll just pick Eternal Flame, we'll pick True Colours with Cyndi Lauper, we'll then pick Amy McDonald. Let's have a bit of Get It On. We will then have from the next category, well, let's pick Prince. Prince's Purple Rain is always good, but let's go with When Doves Cry. Let's go Blur. Blur's always good. Park Life. Can't go wrong with Park Life. We'll pick Park Life. And then one other track we can pick just to finish off as an extra, just on the safe side. We'll pick something from Bittersweet Symphony here. And that should line up my whole program. Now, what we haven't done is we haven't actually lined up any station idents. So we can put in station idents maybe after every 2 or 3 songs. So we'll go through, say, after 2 songs, we'll pick this one. We'll go with CM Sales. Might go in with Commonwealth FM. 6-second one here. Likewise, we'll just repeat that exercise there. And we'll go CFM Sales. And likewise, we'll pick maybe the clock ticking. There you go. That's how we've actually added 1 hour. We can save this information. So in this case, I will save this information. We're in the presenter section. So I will click on J because I'm under my name. And then we will call it Thursday Drive. And Thursday's drive is actually 8th, I think it is. Tuesday 6th, 7th, 8th, that's right. So we'll pick 080224, and we could have called it hour 1. So we know we've saved the path. In case we ever get lost or we want to add to it and want to change it, we can. Now we want to send this to the log. So what we can do is we can go mix send to log. It will ask us for a time. Or what we do is the right way to do it is go to default with pad. We will show the auto log. Go to in the auto log here. Go to the go to window, and it will show up the clock. So we said that we're going to send this for Thursday. We know we're going to do this for 4 o'clock. So there we are, 1600. You can do it by the clock there, or you could do it by the drop down. So remember, we can do it like this. So it's Thursday, 6 o'clock. We know if we look at that time, there's nothing there. So now we go back to our pad. We click on center log. We click on Thursday. We click on the clock, which is 1600, and we know it's Thursday, 1600. We're over this side. We can see that Thursday, 8th of February, 1600. There is nothing in that hour. We will say OK, and you will see now it's populated. This is the right way to actually send a 1 hour show to the log and see it actually being populated. If you had to delete the hour, we would just click on top of the hour, and we would actually delete the hour from the log if you wanted to do that. So in this case, I won't do that. We will leave it as is. So that is just showing you how to actually create a 1 hour show in the pad and then send it to the auto log as part of your show for your forthcoming. Now, normally what would happen is you would actually record some of your idents if you had a pre-recorded show, and you would insert the pre-record just as you would importing a song or importing a jingle. You would actually import in those audio segments. We will show you an example of how to import segments, how to record and import segments in the next set of batches of video here. And hopefully this has been a very useful video for making up 1 hour pad, sending it to the log. This completes the correct process of importing 1 hour pad list into the schedule. Until next time.